guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can create this transparent text effect on CapCut PC. So I'm just going to copy and paste the video. Actually I do need to do that, sorry. Then go to remove background and select auto removal on the second one. Go to text and add in your default text here. I'm just going to type in the word apple, but you can type in anything that you'd like. And I'm going to make sure it's a bold font. I will use this one, but you can use that one as well, like the template there. The preset style, sorry. Then I'm just going to adjust the line thickness because I don't want it to be too much. Then I'm just going to copy and paste that and place this one underneath. Then I'm just going to select another color for the color of the text underneath. Select this one, right click and create compound clip. Go to video, go to basic, go to blend mode and select the darken one. Did it even remove background? I don't know if it did. It should remove background. Oh, there it is. I think it didn't remove that part, but it did remove this part. And as you can see, it's like see-through. But yeah, that is pretty much it. It should have removed the background better than that. Like, it should be like this. But yeah, that is it. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!